In this video, you will learn about cooking words in Thai and you will understand more next time when you read Thai menu. What's cooking method of each dish? Hi guys! สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome back to Learn Thai One Day One Sentence. My name is Nêung and this is where you can learn Thai language one word or one sentence per day. If you are interested in Thai language, then don't forget to check these links. There are a lot more of Thai lesson for you. Let's start our lesson today. I'm going to talk about cooking methods and then you can apply those words when you go to a restaurant next time. When you see those words, then you will understand that what's the cooking method behind each dish. Let's start the first one. The first one, to boil. ต้ม If you see the word ต้ม in any dish, that means that dish is a soup and it's not spicy. For example, ต้มข่าไก่ข่า is กะลังกาวไก่ it's chicken. So ต้มข่าไก่ that means กะลังกาว with chicken soup. Another dish for boiling method is ต้มจืด ต้ม again is a soup. จืด actually จืด means bland. That's like not spicy, no taste. But ต้มจืด does mean kind of vegetable soup, maybe with some meat. So pretty much telling that it's not spicy. It doesn't mean that it's bland, no taste. It just means it's not spicy. ต้มจืด Next cooking method is ผัด I think you have heard this a lot from Pad Thai, right? ผัด mean stir fry. So you might have heard Pad Thai. Definitely, if you see how they made it, they reallyผัด a lot. Next one is ข้าวผัด that's another famous Thai dish. ข้าวผัด is fried rice, so another stir fry dish. Next one is my favorite one. ผัดเม็ดมะม่วง This is a stir fry cashew nut. เม็ดมะม่วง is cashew nut. เม็ดมะม่วง, the full words of it is เม็ดมะม่วงหิมพานต์ that's cashew nut, but definitely you can just say เม็ดมะม่วง Next one, แกง I think you know this word as well. It means curry. So the method is the same as ต้ม. That means you boil it in hot water. However, gaeng does include spiciness. So it would have some chili paste. It will depend on what curry. Each one have different curry paste. And mostly gaeng would be spicy. เผ็ด If you don't want it to be spicy, say ไม่เผ็ด So you can request a restaurant say ไม่เผ็ด then they would make your dish not too much spicy. What's curry, do you know? My favorite one is มัสมั่น แกงมัสมั่น curry. I also like แกงเขียวหวาน Actually, this one is not too much spicy. เขียวหวาน เขียว means green. เขียว So you can notice from the color of the dish is green curry. It's green color. หวาน it means sweet. So in the name, it's already told you that this dish wouldn't be much spicy. Mostly would be a little bit sweet. แกงเขียวหวาน แกงเขียวหวาน next one ทอดทอดทอดทอด means deep fried delicious huh? Deep fried there's many meat that you can do deep fried ไก่ทอดไก่ chicken ไก่ทอดไก่ทอดไก่ทอด deep fried chicken if you have deep fried fish ปลาปลาปลา deep fried fish ปลาทอดปลาทอดปลาทอด one of my favorite deep fry is ปลากระพงทอดน้ำปลาปลากระพงทอดน้ำปลาปลากระพงทอดน้ำปลา have you tried this dish ปลากระพง is barramundi ทอดน้ำปลาทอด deep fry น้ำปลา is actually mean fish sauce น้ำปลาน้ำปลา but I don't think they would deep fry it with fish sauce. In general, they would have deep fried barramundi and have with spicy mango salad. Delicious. Next one is nêung. 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 Nêung means steam. Barramundi also good with nêung as well. ปลากระพงนึ่งมะนาวปลากระพงนึ่งมะนาว I hope you don't watch this video during the night ปลากระพงนึ่งมะนาวนึ่ง to steam ปลากระพง barramundi มะนาว that mean lime actually we don't have lemon in general we mostly have lime but either lime or lemon we still call มะนาวมะนาวมะนาว so ปลากระพงนึ่งมะนาว you can guess that this one would be sour it's a sour dish but also spicy as well so that you steam barramundi in garlic and chili and lemon or lime sauce another tasty dish have you tried this one before Another word that I'm sure you have heard of it is ตำ So the word ตำ that means you need mortar and pestle. Mortar ครก and pestle สาก or you can call สากกระเบือ but only สาก is fine ครก and สาก mortar and pestle and when you pound it with mortar and pestle that word called ตำ and favorite ตำ dish is ส้มตำDefinitely, if you go to street food and buy som tam, you will see they have really big mortar and pestle. And that action is tam. That dish, som tam. Next two words are similar and relating to grilled. The first one, yâang. Yâang means to grill. To grill like big piece of meat. For example, ไก่ย่าง If you imagine ไก่ย่าง then you will see a whole big of chicken and grill it. Another word that really close is ปิ้ง You grill the meat as well, but kind of come into like a skewers. For example, หมูปิ้ง then you would imagine that pork skewers and then grill on a small charcoal. ปิ้ง So ปิ้ง and ย่าง both of them are grilled meat. It just come into different size and ปิ้ง most related to skewers. Last one is blanching. Like when you immersing vegetables or meat briefly in a hot water. That's called ลวกI think Thai dish for lûak maybe not really but for side dish for example ผักลวก ผักลวกผัก means vegetables ผักลวก that means they just quickly dip vegetables in boiling water just make it a little bit soft ผักลวกผักลวก another one that some people like to have in the morning that's a ไข่ลวกไข่ลวกไข่ลวกไข่ means eggs so it would be a little bit raw egg some say that it's healthy but I never try alright guys let's summarize what we learned together today we learned Thai vocabularies relating to cooking methods and I hope that after you finish this lesson then you can understand more how each Thai dish made alright the first one ต้มต้มต้ม to boil but if you see ต้ม in a menu that means soup not spicy second one ผัดผัดผัด means stir fried if you see ผัด in any menu that means that dish been stir fried third one แกงแกงแกงแกง means curry it's been boiling as well but have some chili paste in it so if you see any curry expect it to be spicy if you don't want it to be spicy say ไม่เผ็ดไม่เผ็ดไม่เผ็ดnext one to deep fry we say ทอดทอดทอดbe careful there's lots of oil ทอดnext one to steam นึ่งนึ่งนึ่ง another two words that really similar is about grilling ย่างย่างย่าง and if it's come in skewers you say ปิ้งปิ้งปิ้ง last one blanching ลวกลวกลวก so just quickly dip in hot water ลวก alright I hope you learn a lot from this lesson today and don't forget to use it next time when you see Thai menu and if you like this lesson don't forget to like and share as well for today thank you for watching and don't forget to keep practicing สวัสดีค่ะ